Welcome to the syllabus for your online course. My name is Cole Richardson and I am the e-learning assistant at St. Mary's University's Division of Continuing Education. Before you get too far into your course, allow me to quickly walk you through the various parts of your syllabus. There are 3 sections which make up the syllabus for an online course. The first section is course information, where you will find the information relating to this particular course, such as the course schedule and evaluation, which will be used by your instructor. The next section is titled Academic Responsibility, which contains the information related to this university's policies regarding issues such as plagiarism and cheating. The final section is titled Blackboard Resources, which contains information to assist you in learning how to best navigate and use Blackboard as your online course progresses. The Blackboard Resources section contains the following files, which you may find particularly useful. Blackboard Technical Support information provides you with the contact information for ITSS in case you encounter a problem with Blackboard, which the other resources in this section have not covered. The next section is the Student Handbook for Blackboard 9.1, which contains detailed information on how to use the tools you may encounter during your course, such as assignments and the discussion board. It is a PDF document, so you may save or print the document for use outside of Blackboard. The Blackboard Security Warnings file contains the warnings you may encounter when using certain tools and provides information on how to resolve them. The Browser Configuration by Browser file contains information to assist you in setting up your internet browser to ensure that Blackboard will run most effectively for you on that browser. Reactivating your SMUport password takes you step by step through the process of reactivating your SMUport password. Remember, your SMUport password expires every 90 days, so you will be doing this with some frequency. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I wish you success with your online course.